Heavy rains continue to batter coastal districts. Several areas have been inundated due to heavy rains in Puttur and Belthingadi taluks. The Dakshin Kannada and Udupi district administrations have declared a holiday for schools. The Vitla Salithur connecting road in Bantwal has been completely submerged, throwing lives out of gear. Even Kogadu district is witnessing continuous rainfall and the district administration has announced holiday for schools and colleges. The meteorological department has warned very heavy rains in the next 24 hours in coastal Chikmagaluru and Kodagu districts. Next 9 World Newsroom report.